This is the system I have. It's the generator, which is on the bottom with the battery, and also a second power pod on top. They're stackable. And mine also came with a manual transfer switch, 6 circuits. So this is it here. And I had an electrician wire this up for me to my main breaker box. I think I paid $250, but I've had this for almost a year, and it came with 2 solar panels and the manual transfer switch, and it works pretty good. I've got the lights, all the lights in the bedrooms wired up to it, and the refrigerator and TV, and works real good. I'm very happy with it.